Banana stems, once treated as agricultural waste, begin a new industrial journey. Each stem is selected for fiber quality before processing begins.
Every batch is digitally tracked before entering production. Moisture levels determine the extraction settings.
High-pressure washing removes soil and organic residue. Clean raw material ensures better fiber quality.
Uniform sizing improves extraction efficiency. Only usable stem sections continue forward.
The dense stem structure is opened layer by layer. This exposes the hidden textile fibers. Precision extraction reveals long natural fibers. The textile process begins here. Residual plant matter is removed automatically. Only textile-grade fibers continue. Repeated rinsing improves softness and consistency. Clean fibers prepare for conditioning. Conditioning improves flexibility and handling. This step helps prepare fibers for spinning. Controlled moisture protects fiber integrity. The fibers are now ready for drying. Drying stabilizes the natural structure. Temperature control prevents brittleness. Opening aligns and loosens the fibers. This improves spinning consistency.
Carding transforms loose fibers into organized structure. This creates the foundation for yarn.
The organized fibers become manageable slivers. These bundles are prepared for spinning. Drafting creates even fiber distribution. The next stage transforms fibers into yarn.
The loose fiber strand receives its first controlled twist. Roving stabilizes the material before spinning.
Controlled spinning converts fibers into textile-ready yarn. Every rotation improves strength and uniformity.
Automated inspection maintains consistent yarn quality. Only uniform strands continue. Yarn is rewound for efficient downstream processing. Even winding prevents future tension issues. Balanced humidity improves weaving performance. The yarn structure becomes more stable. The yarn is organized for the next visual transformation. Color planning begins before dyeing starts. Natural dye evenly bonds with the banana yarn. Controlled circulation creates consistent shade. Rinsing improves color fastness and cleanliness. The finished shade becomes stable.
Careful drying protects yarn texture. The material is now ready for weaving preparation.
Warping organizes yarn into exact weaving order. Thread precision determines final fabric quality.
Icing reduces breakage during weaving. The yarn gains temporary surface protection.
The protective layer is fixed into place. Weaving strength is now optimized. The threads are consolidated onto weaving beams. This prepares continuous loom feeding.
Each thread must enter its exact weaving path. Precision setup prevents fabric defects.
The transformation from agricultural waste to fabric truly begins. Next, the cloth will be refined into wearable material. The newly woven textile reveals the character of banana fiber. Every meter is checked before finishing begins. Computer vision checks thousands of threads instantly. Only approved fabric continues. Relaxation reduces internal tension inside the textile. This improves dimensional stability. The fabric is cleaned to reveal its natural hand feel. Surface preparation improves finishing quality.
Controlled extraction protects fabric shape. The cloth moves toward texture refinement.
Natural finishing transforms texture without hiding the fiber. The fabric becomes more comfortable to wear. Controlled stretching creates dimensional accuracy. Heat locks the fabric into final form.
Calendaring enhances appearance and touch. The textile gains a premium finish.
Final inspection ensures every section meets specification. Approved fabric advances to garment manufacturing.
Multiple layers are prepared simultaneously. This increases garment production efficiency. Software arranges every garment piece efficiently. Waste is minimized before cutting.
Computer-controlled cutting ensures repeatable accuracy. The fabric begins its transition into clothing.
Each panel is organized for assembly. Accurate sorting prevents production delays.
Precision sewing converts fabric panels into wearable forms. Seams create the foundation of the final product. From discarded stem to structured clothing, the transformation is visible. The next stage focuses on finishing and presentation.
Each garment receives detailed hand finishing. Small corrections create a premium appearance.
Steam finishing improves structure and appearance. The natural fabric begins to take its final form. Controlled heat stabilizes fit and silhouette. This creates consistent garment sizing.
Final components complete the garment structure. Precision placement improves durability.
Automated stitching adds final visual identity. The clothing becomes retail-ready.
Air cleaning gives the garment its final presentation. The fabric surface becomes production clean.
Every finished garment is checked for consistency. Digital inspection reduces variation.
Strength testing confirms performance standards. The natural fibers are evaluated under controlled force.
Repeated motion simulates everyday use.
The fabric's surface durability is confirmed. Testing ensures garments maintain quality over time. Shape and feel are carefully monitored.
Final color verification protects product consistency. The textile is prepared for approval.
Every visible detail is reviewed one last time. Only approved pieces continue.
Automated folding creates consistent presentation. The product enters its final stage. Product information completes the retail process. The garments are nearly ready to ship.
Farm waste has become finished clothing through precision manufacturing. The final stage sends these garments into the world. Each finished garment is digitally recorded before leaving production. Tracking begins at the packaging line.
Automation improves consistency and shipping efficiency. Each pallet is built for secure transport.
Protective wrapping prevents shifting during transport. The garments are now logistics ready.
Every pallet becomes traceable across the supply chain. Digital tracking improves warehouse accuracy. Automation organizes thousands of finished garments. Orders determine the next movement. Customer demand determines shipping priorities. The logistics chain moves into action.
Sorting creates efficient loading sequences. Each route is prepared for dispatch.
Careful loading protects product quality in transit. The garments begin their journey. The transformation continues beyond the factory walls. Finished garments move toward retail networks. Distribution centers extend the manufacturing journey. Inventory is repositioned for delivery.
Finished clothing is divided for multiple markets. Each shipment follows precise scheduling. Final transport connects production to consumers. The finished product moves toward store shelves.
From agricultural residue to finished apparel, the product reaches its final destination. What began as discarded plant material becomes wearable fabric. Every step adds value through manufacturing. Waste has been transformed into a finished textile product. The final chapter reveals the environmental impact.
The finished garments represent the final stage of a much longer transformation. Factory systems track every step from stem to textile.
Manufacturing extends beyond the primary product. Additional material streams are collected instead of discarded.
Secondary outputs create additional manufacturing value. Resource recovery extends material usefulness. Supporting systems maintain continuous factory operation. Water is processed and prepared for reuse.
Multiple manufacturing stages operate together as one system. Every process contributes to the final garment.
The manufacturing journey now appears in finished form. The final textile reflects every earlier stage. Every visible detail traces back to banana stem fibers. The final appearance reflects precise manufacturing.
The beginning and ending stages appear together. The material transformation becomes fully visible. People and machines together drive the process forward. The manufacturing story reaches its final stage.
The journey from raw stem to finished clothing is complete. The products are ready to move outward.
Every stage contributes to the final result. The complete process unfolds one last time. What started as agricultural residue now exists as finished apparel. The transformation is complete.
The manufacturing cycle connects fields and finished products. The story expands beyond the factory walls. From raw material collection to final clothing, every stage connects. This journey represents modern textile manufacturing, a complete transformation from farm waste to finished clothing. Inside the high-tech banana stem factory, the journey ends.